Hello, my name is Tony Barbie, and this is my presentation on how does science save lives. So on my first slide, I used a Venn diagram to represent the relationship between science and hazards. As you can see in the middle, we have research and applications. So what that means is that we can use the data that we collect from these hazards and apply it to our society to help build a stronger society as well as save lives. On my second slide, I included something we experience here in Arizona, which is drought. As you can see here, we have the effects of drought on our land. And then on the right, I included a picture of the state that shows the severity of drought wherever you are in Arizona. As you can see, the yellowish white is the lesser drought, and the darker red shows the more severe drought. And obviously, the entire state is covered in a more severe drought, given that we live in Arizona. On the second slide, this is something we don't experience here in Arizona, but it's still very important, which is hurricanes. We are able to find the relative path that a hurricane may have. As you can see on the bottom here, this is the path of a hurricane that is heading towards Florida. And then on the animation above, it shows the thermal temperature of a hurricane. As you can see towards the center, there's a lot more warm water and warm air, which is how hurricanes gain all their energy. And then on the fourth slide, I included the USGS, which is a survey system that keeps the public up to date with the most recent earthquakes, the most recent volcanoes, the most recent tornadoes, all sorts of things like that. And that correlates over to the emergency messages that we may receive if we are in the path of, let's say, a hurricane. As you can see here, we have television alerts, we have cell phone alerts, we have email, we have message alerts, all these digital alerts that we are most likely to see, given that most of our society owns a computer or a phone. So this is a very effective way to notify the public and hopefully save lives.